Do you know that your health is your wealth? Try to protect your health in all costs. On this note, I have to teach you the practical way you can use to lead off sugar, hypertension, and high cholesterol, and all manners of infection. Join me. See the ingredient I hold up there. Try as much you can to get this and follow my direction. These are going to help you in life. If you know that you are suffering from all manners of high cholesterol, hypertension, and sugar level, please join me on this episode. You are going to learn a lot. Then, go and bring me cucumber. Come closer. Go and bring me cucumber, lime, oroma crancy, and also garlic. So, after you bring these three items, get me national water as you can't. Then, you bring me all this. I have to list out to you there. Then you slice me cucumber. Cucumber contain a lot of benefits in human health. You can use your knife to cut it if you wish. Then you can see it here. You see how it be. Then you transfer it to your container. Come down. Bring the camera down so that they will see it. Then the next is lime. Bring me lime as a handful. Then you slice it. You slice the lime. It put them inside. Shebi dey see am. Lime is very good for human health. Then you get me garlic. This is the garlic, but I have washed this one. You get me garlic as you see it, just only 3 pieces of garlic. You slice it, add it inside. Then you pour onto it a clean water. Bring camera closer. Maybe you can see it here. Then you cover it. You allow it to stay for 24 hours. 24 hours to infuse. Then after 24 hours, which is a day, in the morning time, you can take it 1 glass tumbler on empty stomach, and last thing in the evening before to bed. Try this 4 times in a week, maximum of 2 weeks, 1 month. Come to my comments and drop me what you see. You can see that it can lead off hypertension, sugar, high cholesterol. This can improve immune system. It can help your arteries to strong. It can allow the blood circulation to flow in your vein. My people say a stitch in time save 9. Thank you. As you are watching, try to share it so that others can learn from it. Bye for now.